ஹாய் பைசஸ் பீப்புள். ஒரு வழியாக கடைசியாக இதுக்கு வந்தாச்சு. டெய்லி வந்துட்டு த்ரீயாக பண்ணாலும் ரொம்ப டயர்ட் ஆகுது. பிகாஸ் இட்ஸ் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் லைக் 20 மினிட்ஸ் வரைக்கும் போதில். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ப்ரே பண்ணணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் எனர்ஜி க்ளோஸ் பண்ணணும், திருப்பி எனர்ஜி புதுசாக ஓப்பன் பண்ணணும் ஃபார் எவ்ரி பீப்புள். அப்படியே ட்ரெயின் ஆகுது எனர்ஜி. ஓகே, ஃபார் பைசஸ் நம்ம எப்படி பண்ண போகிறோம்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, திஸ் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி த ஜென்ரல் ரீடிங். இது வந்து எல்லாருக்கும் ரெசனேட் ஆகும் அப்படின்லாம் வந்து என்னால் அஷூரன்ஸ் கொடுக்க முடியாது. இட் மே ஆர் மே நாட் ரெசனேட் வித் யூ, பிகாஸ் ஒவ்வொருத்தவங்களோட எனர்ஜி ஒவ்வொரு மாதிரி, ஒவ்வொருத்தவங்களோட சுச்சுவேஷனுக்கு மாதிரி. டேக் வாட் ரெசனேட்ஸ் வித் யூ. இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு டேக் பர்சனல் ரீடிங், my WhatsApp number and my Instagram page it has been given in the description box la irukku. Neenga போய் பார்த்துட்டு எனக்கு மெசேஜ் பண்ணலாம். and the session is chargeable for the personal reading. And நம்ம இப்போ எப்படி பார்க்க போகிறோன்னு வந்து கேட்டுட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா, ரீசன்ட் பாஸ்ட், ப்ரெசென்ட் அண்ட் இமீடியட் ஃபியூச்சர், வாட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி த சேலஞ்ச் அண்ட் வாட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி த பெஸ்ட் அட்வைஸ் ஃப்ரம் போத் ஆரக்கிள் அண்ட் த டாரோ ரீடிங். ஓகே, ஓகே எல்லாம் சொல்லியாச்சுல. லெட்ஸ் கெட் இன் டு த ரீடிங். ஓகே, வாட்ஸ் அ பாஸ்ட், ப்ரெசென்ட், what's the past energy for the people of Pisces? What's the past energy, recent past energy for the people of Pisces? What is the recent past for the people of Pisces? What is the present energy? What is the present energy for the people of Pisces from the March 15 to March 30? What is the immediate future for the people of Pisces? What is the immediate future for the people of Pisces? What is the challenge for the people of Pisces from March 15 to 30? What is going to be the challenge for the people of Pisces? The Magician. So what you don't see coming in the, what you don't see coming at the back of the deck is the Fool. The Justice in reverse. The Fool is in reverse. The Chariot is in reverse. Ten of Pentacles is in reverse. Okay. The cards alla vachu paakra. So you're thinking to start something new, but that is not gonna happen very very soon, and something is not going to be very very fair, and it got stuck. There is no movement. I could see that. So நம்ம வந்து பாப்போம் எப்படி சொல்லிட்டு. You are just looking for something, one second. Okay, you are looking to start something new, but that is not happening. I don't see happening very very soon. And the challenge is you are manifesting something, you are thinking something, you are think to something happen very very soon. That is going to be the challenge. நீங்க ஒன்று நினச்சிட்டே இருக்கீங்க, மேனிஃபெஸ்டேஷன் வந்து பண்ணி, I want this to happen, I want that to happen for the next 15 days. Yes, that is going to be the challenge. நான் நினைக்கிறது மட்டும் நடக்கவே மாட்டேங்குது அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, what is going to be your what was the reason past அப்படின்னு பார்க்குறச்சே, 10 of cups, the death and the 2 of swords. அப்படியே ஸ்டக் ஆகி நிற்கிது. there is no movement. I don't know, கண்ணை கட்டி காட்டில் விட்ட மாதிரி இருக்கு எனக்கு. Though you're happy with your family, there is something missing. There is some stagnant energy is there. Why it is not happening? And I could see some transformation has happened in the recent past, that what led you to stuck there. அதாவது ஒரு transformation நடந்து, okay, in that you got stuck there. Let's clarify deeper. And right now you are concentrating more on you. நான் என்னை பார்த்துக்கிறேன். I want to enjoy what do I have right now. I want to enjoy on my own right now. I want to enjoy. I want my independency. Okay, இவ்வளோ இருக்கா இது okay, okay, it's okay, that's enough for me. You're enjoying your own luxury, you're enjoying your own time. Nine of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. Everything is happening very slow, but it's okay. போதுமே எனக்கு எனக்கு இது போதும், இது போதும் எனக்கு அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, what is the immediate future அப்படின்னு பார்க்குறச்சு? Three of Pentacles. You need a lot of work, combined work. Three of Pentacles, Page of Wands, and the Hierophant. You're going to get for some of the people, you know. என்னால் இங்கே வந்துட்டு பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா லவ் அந்த மாதிரிலாம் எதுவுமே வந்து பார்க்க மாட்டேன். இட்ஸ் வெரி ஜென்ரிக்காக தான் வந்து இருக்கு எல்லாமே. And you're going to be committed for your own self. You're going to get a stability. You're going to be committed to your work or something like that in the recent future. You want to, at the same time, you know, you are thinking to start something new, but that is going to be the delay. That is what I do see in this card. Because நான் நினச்சது வந்து நடக்கவும் மாட்டேங்குது. பட் லெட்ஸ் கிளாரிஃபை என்னதான் அப்படின்றத வந்து நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். லெட்ஸ் see why the magician card is here for the people of Pisces. Okay, why is the magician card is here for the people of Pisces? What is the challenge? Please clarify with the three cards. Okay, you want to start something new that is not happening. அதுதான் நான் சொல்லலை. You want to start something new that is not at all happening. அதுதான் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய பிரச்சனையே. And the transformation, you see that I'm getting the death card here also. Somebody has backstabbed you in the recent past. Okay, ரொம்ப நம்பினவங்க கூட உங்களை வந்து ரீசெண்டாக வந்து ரொம்ப ஏமாத்திருந்துருக்கலாம். You want to start something regarding the finance or something regarding the relationship. You want to start something, but that is not happening. That is what the biggest challenge. And the pain is ending, and the pain is going to end very, very soon, because that is why the Ten of Swords is here. For some of the people or experiencing very pain, as for some of the people, you know, like for some of the people, I could sense a spine problem, health issues for some of the people. Somebody is going to experience a spine problem or some health issues problem. I could sense here some health issues problem is going to be there. This is what I think. Sorry, cards kila vandirchu. Let's see. Okay, let's see why the death card is here in the recent past. Okay, why is the death card is here in the recent past? Some transformation has happened. So the death card is clarified by the Hanged Man and the Nine of Cups, Eight of Cups. There is no action taking plan on. Okay, see, maybe your person, it's concentrating on him on his work or her work. He's not giving enough time for you, for some of the people, because there is more on them. more selfishness I could see here. More selfishness I could see. நான் உண்டு இருக்கேன், நான் வேலை இருக்கேன், I'm going on my own, I'm going out with my friends, okay, blah blah blah, I'm going there, I'm going there. He is not giving a proper attention on you, or proper, there is something missing here in that relationship for some of the people. Let's see why is the two of swords it's here. Why the two of swords is here? Why is the two of swords is here? For some of the people, you have come out of some toxic relationship. For some of the people, even though the person is, yes, the person is looking at somewhere. The person is looking at somewhere. He is not towards you. Maybe for some of the people, even if someone is offering something, you're not ready to take. You're on your self love more. போதும்பா சாமி, என்னை விட்டுடுங்க, நானாகவே இருந்துக்கிறேன், எனக்கு வந்துட்டு என்னோட இது வந்து முக்கியம். பிகாஸ் மெனி பீப்புள், ஃபார் சம் ஆஃப் த பீப்புள், சம் பீப்புள் ஆர் ஆஃபரிங் யூ சம்திங், பட் யூ ஆர் நாட் ரெடி டு டேக். ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட், நானாகவே இருந்துக்கிறேன், ஒன்றும் தேவையில்லை, அந்த மாதிரி வந்து பார்க்க முடியுது. ஃபார் சம் ஆஃப் த பீப்புள், he or she is not giving attention to you. He is not, yes, there is a proper relationship, everything is there, but still there is no action is taking. Okay, நான் பாட்டுக்கு இருக்கேன். I'm just maybe more selfishness I could see signs here. More selfishness in this relationship. Communication problem. Why the Knight of Pentacles is here? For some of the people, he's coming again and again. But for some of the people, you're not ready to take that offer. You're not ready to take that either. Because you want your work or career as your first priority. For the people who does not wants to fall in love, for you want to start something. You want to start something, but it is not happening. So your concentration is more on your work, not on the general, on the lovely. You're not showing any interest. Family adhe madriye vandu irukkinga for some of the people. And for some of the people, you are enjoying, I want my time. வேணாம்பா, இப்படி தான் வருவீங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து போயிடுவீங்க. I am not ready to take that pain, அந்த மாதிரி. Let's see why is the Knight of Pentacles is here. He is coming again and again for some of the people to offer love, but I sense lot of self-indulgence, lot of selfishness here for some of the people. Why is the Knight of Pentacles in the current energy? As I told you, right? Offering something, but more of selfishness. நானாவே இருந்துக்கிறேன். More of self love தான் இங்கே வந்து பார்க்க முடியுது. As I told you, right? He or she, he is offering you, but you are not ready to take. For some of the people, for some of the two stories. He is coming again and again, but you are not ready to take that offer. Because you are manifesting, you are concentrating on your work or something else, or some other work, something like that. For some of the people, I need my own time, I don't want to take it, please give me some time, and the madri. Let's see why is a Hierophant is here in the recent immediate future. For some of the people, நீங்கள் வந்து ஒர்க்கில் கான்சன்ட்ரேட்டாக இருக்கிறனால you don't want to give you're not giving time to your family or something like that, and you're concentrating more on you. And for some of the people, you're so selfish For some of the people are very 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 selfish, so that energy got stagnant, அப்படியே வந்து நிக்குது. There is no action is taking regarding the love life or something like that. For some of the people, he or she is offering love in the recent past, even in the present, but you are not ready to take. எனக்கு வேண்டாம். Let's see why is the Hierophant is here in the immediate future. நான் நினச்சது நடக்க மாட்டேங்குதுன்னு கடுப்பில் இருக்கேன். நீங்கள் வேறு வர்றீங்கன்னு அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு சீனாரியோ சில பேருக்கு. Hierophant is clarified by the Queen of Wands, Eight of Wands and the Page of Wands. Okay, in the immediate future you guys are going to get some communication for sure, some truth, some clarity through the message, through the mail or through the social media or something like that. You are going to get some message regarding on this, regarding on your work, something like that. I could sense that. Because but that is not going to happen very very soon. It's going to take its own time. New beginning is not very near. New beginning is not very near because of some karmic problem, I could guess, because it is not going to move forward. Okay, and it's going to take a toll on your family. Maybe you could receive, நீங்கள் எதிர்பார்த்த வந்து கிடைக்காம வந்திருக்கலாம், because that is what I could sense. You are expecting something but you are not going to receive it that very soon. What's the best advice for the people of Pisces? What's the best advice for the people of Pisces? Advice for the people of Pisces. It's asking you to take a proper plan and not to give up, and things will happen. It's asking you to make a proper plan. I think there is no proper plan, and for some of the people you are at distance, you don't know what to do also. It's asking you to make a plan. Don't give up. போராடுங்க. Don't get down. Always be up so that you can able to achieve what you want in your life. You want something to happen but it is not happening. That is going to be the challenge. What's the best advice for the people of Pisces? What's the best advice for the people of Pisces? Wait for important information. Exchange energy to create abundance. Set your sights higher. Told you, right? Some information is going to be on the way regarding your work or regarding something like that. Some information is on the way. Wait for that important information. That is what the oracle wants to tell you. Don't give up. Make a proper plan. Thank you Pisces for tuning into my YouTube channel. Yarala subscribe pannalayo, please do subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. Thank you so much. Spread only love.